Mintirangba Kajala Megalea Konrad K Sangma Dakaba Penpao Bo Priang Banyakren but ka Voice of the People Party VPP Halor ka Jingdawa ka Party Bantung Kambiang yo officer ka Megalea Lokayukta Dangshen Uloong ba ka Jingwengkam Kadei Halor ki Kandon Uloong ba ki officer ki bala thung manswa ki dei ki bala songthait nakakam but hab bantung dai ki badang tre hakakam Uloong bala da thung dai ki bala songthait nakakam ka sarkar kan hab siyu but ye ki ba umpat songthait nakakam pan Omdon kam siyo na mar kidang day kibayo tulam.
Already we have clarified this many times. The provisions under which the person earlier, the director of inquiries was appointed, the rules were not followed. In the sense that it was a temporary arrangement because we needed to immediately start the work. We had, in the sense, some shortage of officials working because it has to be an officer of a secretary level and above. And hence, we had a bit of an issue in the sense we had a shortage of officers. So we decided at a point in time that we will, as a temporary arrangement, go for a retired officer, which is not as per the rules. And hence, to rectify that and to make it regularize that, we have followed the rules which says that it has to be an officer of the rank of a secretary. Number 2 point is that when we appoint a person who is retired, then government takes additional expenditure. If it's a serving officer, there is no expenditure because he or she gets a salary. But an additional retired person means we have to spend from our own side. And hence, it was in the interest of the rules to be followed and in the interest of the expenditure for the state that this post be regularized. We were working on it to regularize it very much before this, but then later on, it took us about a year and a half almost, but we have regularized the process. So this is purely as per the rules and procedures that we do follow.
Will you meet political parties?
We are very open, whoever is there, if anybody wants to meet, we welcome.